Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes.
So hi guys, this is Sushmita. Today I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to do reverse smoky eye. You can see I am here not using any eyeshadow brush, rather than I am using a Q-tip. And with this Q-tip I will show you how to do easy reverse smoky eye. Let's get started. So first I'm using Mars Micro Precision Eyebrow Pencil to define my eyebrow.
Maybe we could be okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay.
Now I am using my favorite Elegant Pro Concealer with the help of a concealer brush from Naked Tree brush set. I will give all the product links in the description box. You can go and check out. Now I'm defining my eyebrow with the concealer. With this technique your eyebrow will look so sharp. In this step you can use any eyeshadow primer or concealer. I am using MAC Plus Beauty Blender. So this beauty blender is very soft. You have to dip the sponge in water and then squeeze the all water from the sponge and it will get its shape. After that you have to cut a small piece of sellotape and paste it on your hand twice to remove the extra glue, and then paste it on your outer corner of eyes as I am doing.
If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
Now I am using Mars eyeshadow palette and I'm using the black eyeshadow. With the help of Q-tip I am drawing my eye.
As you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade.
And I have drawn the wing with the help of the sellotape, the direction of the sellotape. Just follow what I am doing and it will be done. Now remove the sellotape and 80% of your eye makeup is done. Now I will do the rest of the eye makeup, and with the help of Lakme Iconic Kajal I am drawing my lower waterline, and then I will draw upper waterline. And just filling up the gap to give a dramatic look.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me.
And smudging it with a Q-tip. And now with the help of Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, I am applying on my eyelashes.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong.
I have used Gloss Beauty false eyelashes on my eyes. Now I am completing my rest of the makeup. So hello guys, this is the final look and I am done. So and how is it? Comment me in the comment box, and also comment that what kind of video you want to see in my channel. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. I am using Swiss Beauty highlighter. All the makeup products I have used in this video I will share in the description box. You can go and check out.
Too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.